Well, hello, welcome to my channel. I am very excited to share with you guys this video. It was actually recorded back in May or April, I believe it was, so it's been some time. Um, these coasters were pretty emotional when I made them. My grandmother at the time had passed away, and her favorite colors is fall. And so for my aunt, I made these coasters in honor of my grandmother. The resin I am using is J. Diction High Gloss, which the link is in my description. And then I'm using the Let's Resin alcohol inks and Cast and Craft paste. You will see me use my heat gun. This again was at the beginning, very, very beginning of my resin journey. And so at the time when I was making my blooms, I was heating the resin. I actually might try it next time to see if it makes a difference because these came out so beautiful, and maybe it's just because of the Let's Resin alcohol inks. I know when I try this technique with the octopus inks, they work better in spreading before the resin gets warm. But with the Let's Resin, they just spread so beautiful. So, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, at the end, when I am revealing, unfortunately, I did not record me actually taking the coasters out of the molds. So I do apologize. I thought I had recorded it, but I cannot find it anywhere. But I do have a video of me looking at the coasters. Now, unfortunately, I did do that in portrait mode. So I apologize for the direction of the video towards the end. So there's not much I could do. I don't have the coasters anymore. And so I'm not able to recreate that. But sorry, it's very early when I'm recording this. So I'm still a little tired. But I'm going to go ahead and play some music and let you guys enjoy the process. Funny thing here is this is before I got my level table. And so this is me using popsicle sticks to try to level my coasters. Again, I've learned a lot since the beginning, but this is before I had a heat mat, before I had my level table. So there are a lot of changes since then, but I wanted to share this because, again, they really did come out beautiful. It's probably one of my absolute best blooms I have ever done. And maybe it's because it has a little bit of my grandmother's spirit. But anyways, I'm going to stop talking and put some music on. And yeah, enjoy. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit the like and share button and subscribe. And yeah. And here we are. These came out insanely beautiful. I was shocked when I demolded these. I was actually really impressed. I was like, oh my gosh, this looks like a real flower. Like it's so in depth and insanely beautiful. So yeah, this bloom recipe was definitely a little bit different than what I've done before. And so hopefully you will have fun trying to recreate something similar. And I hope it brings you joy like it does for my aunt. And yeah, I mean, they're beautiful. Enough said. There's not much else I could say in regards to these, but um, God, look at those petals. It just blows my mind every time I see them. But yeah, I mean, I definitely use a lot more ink than I have in other blooms, but it's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and share button. And until next time.